Malacanang assures that it will not allow the peace agreement between the government and the MILF to be derailed. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma gave the assurance in the wake of a report that some MILF members are dissatisfied with the accord. Secretary Coloma stressed that the government and the MILF will remain committed to the attainment of lasting peace and order under the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro.
Yung mga kidnapping groups, ang mga members sila MLF.
Kung pwede lang. I'm sorry, Joel. No? Pakilinaw lang yung enunciation kung MN or MI.
MI po, MI.
Thank you, thank you.
MI po. So, may ganong incidents na nangyayari po na nangyayari na ngayon, sir. Even MI members ay alleged members rin ng mga kidnapping groups doon. And would you support the call for the MI leadership? Yes, to yun na nga po, to police their own ranks and to avoid similar incidents in the future.
Ang ating pinagbabatayan dito ay yung deklarasyon ng ating Pangulo at ang deklarasyon ng tagapangulo ng MILF na malinaw na narinig ng sambayanan at ng buong mundo noong ika-27 ng Marso. Pagkatapos nung ating nasaksihan yung lagdaan ng Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. Sa bahagi ng ating Pangulo, sinabi niya na hindi tayo dapat maligalig ng pagkatakot o ng kawalan ng katiyakan. We should not allow fear or uncertainty to affect our resolve to bring about the fruition of the Comprehensive Agreement on the Bangsamoro. And the chairman of the MILF made the same call. And he was very emphatic also in his declaration that the MILF shares the firm determination of the Philippine government. Kaya yun ang ating pinagbabatayan. Ang bawat panig, ang magkabilang panig ay patuloy na pinagsisikapang tukuyin yung mga nagiging hamon dyan. Pero hindi naman tayo natitinag doon sa layunin na matamo ang hinahangad na kapayapaan.